Losman will be visiting 5 islands, but the sequence will depend on yung mga kasama. Yung mga tira-tirang scallop. Kaya ito ba? Pwede natin salamat sa nagbigay na scallop. Adobo mamaya yan. Good morning mga ka-senior. Today pupunta tayo sa Gigantes Island sa Micarles. Nandito tayo sa Barotac Nebo and hintay natin mga friends natin. So we're going to show you how to get there, what to see, what to do, and how to experience the beauty of Gigantes Island. Let's go! Banate, Iloilo. Banate. Manulais. Alimango. Dito ko ano Pilido yan, umpisa ng mga bayan.
Pero masarap. Lagyan mo ng anak, gawin mo taxi yun.
Nabalasan.
Mga bata na lang nagmumotor.
High school doon sa Panoo.
Dito pala gati.
Estansya na tayo. Balasan. Sa Carles. Just arrived in Carles Port. This is now where most of the boat and our tour operators operates for those who wish to do island hopping in Gigantes. So this is the tourism information area and you will be registering later. So tourism information and ticketing center. So dito yan. Then may mga boat operators. Several na po. Ito yung mga So finally arrived here at Carles Port around 8 a.m. Our companion left Iloilo around 5:10, so it probably took travel time between Iloilo and Carles is about 3 hours. if you're renting a van or if you're driving private cars, but you can also take a bus from the terminal in Iloilo. There's a bus marked with Carles, and it goes straight to Carles Poblacion. From Poblacion, you have to take a tricycle, the green tricycle, that will take you to the port area. Anyway, alam naman yung mga tricycle. And then ito yung mga parking ng mga van. So, maya-maya hinihintay lang natin mga kasama natin. We'll be registering sa ating tour papuntang Carles, Gigantes Island. We'll be visiting mga 4 to 5 islands, and the package costs about 1,099 or 1,100 plus some registration requirement. And kasama na yung lunch, unlimited scallop daw. So we'll see later. Mga souvenir shops.
Magkano pa siya eh?
Kami bili na.
1.
Muna.
Tatlong silog. Ano pa po? Wala na yun. Ano pa nga? Lucy.
So ito mga kasama natin, mga senior mula sa Ligas. Kaway kayo. Ayan. Hello. Breakfast muna tayo ng longganisa at saka. Magkano? 135? 135. Ito 145.
145.
Na may kasama ng poppy.
Poppy.
And also a Weber that take responsibility during this trip. Here naman, beach urinate 5 pesos, ligo shower 20 pesos dito. Port. We were already registered, and ito na yung mga bangka. So punta na tayo. So we are about ready to board the boat. I think the first island would be about an hour. So there's plenty of islands. On the right side is actually Sicogon, Estancia, and we'll be going to those islands. Sana malaki ang ating bangka. Otherwise, mababasa tayo.
Sa Mindoro. Sana mo nga sa vlog yan, babae.
Huwag po ilang piraso na pupuntahan ko eh.
Always remember po, tinaw po, tayo sa ito niya po. So, every time matawag ako ng tinaw, alam mo kung saan yung akin. So, yung
we'll be visiting 5 islands, but sequence will depend on tide, also the weight. So malalaman natin yan. But we'll be having lunch. That is the most important part. So konditiba sa kabila. Ang bangka natin is tindahan. Sakay na tayo. Kay tindahan. Senior priority. Paunahin muna mga senior.
mga senior citizen dyan, Sir Ray, Joel,
So nakasakay na tayo. We'll be arriving around 10 a.m. sa ating first destination. So in the meantime, enjoy natin yung views. Hopefully hindi maalon at maganda yung weather. Maganda lang, dahil hindi maulan at hindi maaraw. Kalaban lang natin yung hangin baka malakas malaki pagdating sa open sea. Dahil nasa loob pa tayo. Moving na tayo. By Carles Port, and then we're moving to our first destination. Isla ng Carles. Hindi natin pupunta niya, may parola na yan. Ito yung natin. Ito yung sikat for picture taking. Ito yung tubig, oh. Baba muna tayo. Yung sikat na lugar for picture taking. Akit tayo yan, pero ngayon kailangan ng number bago limitado lang yung few seconds lang per picture. So, welcome to Cabugao Gamay. Okay, atan. Cabugao Gamay. So dito yung sikat for picture taking. Ito yung poster lagi ng Iloilo. So later on nakita tayo dun sa taas. So yung picture. Dami tayong enjoy natin. So dito na lang natin. We are here in Ito yung first island after we left Mount Carlos about an hour ago. First stop sa island hopping. It's Isla Gigantes. So this is very famous favorite spot ng mga nagpupunta sa Isla Gigantes because it's a task and yung iconic view na lahat ng gusto magpapicture dito sa Gigantes. So sa likod natin Isla Cabugay Tako, Big Cabugay, and we are here in Cabugay Gamay. So look at the beach. Ito ng araw na pagpunta natin. Very perfect weather. Medyo malakas nga lang dahil na season, but just the same, we enjoy thoroughly exploring Islas de Gigantes. Kaya tara na, sabahan niyo ako as we continue our exploration of Gigantes Island. Tayo doon sa view deck. We have our photos, iconic photos taken. Na ngayon, 5 to 7 minutes per group. So 26 tayo, divide. So 30 seconds kada grupo. For picture taking, doon tayo akyat. Yan, ang iconic view of Cabugay Gamay.
Yan na lang.
visiting the Sandbar. 15 minutes stopover. So this is the Sandbar. This is our third time. Every time na nagbi-visit tayo dito, nagbabago yung shape ng Sandbar. Mahaba ito dati. And then dati bilog, mahaba, nagbabago. So I guess that's nature's way of creating lovely attractions like this. So ito naman yung kunyari nasa Bichoke tayo. So nagpe-play dito yung Ocean Deep at habang naglalakad tayo, maraming kumakanta dyan. Kinakanta ang Ocean Deep at nakikita yung mukha ko na naglalakad dito sa Sandbar, sa Islas de Gigantes. So enjoy yung kanta nyo, gandahan mo naman para ganahan ako maglakad dito. So ayan, Kaluya. Ito ng tubig. Sobrang linaw. Welcome to Kaluya Beach. Menu, we have shrimp, ano to? Hipon na we have adobo chicken. Baked scallop. Meron tayong hipon, sinigang na hipon.
Ito po,
Alimasag.
Favorite ni Mario.
Scallop.
Thank you.
Ang dami sobrang unlimited na scallop. Adobohin namin. Wow!
Ano sila kikilo? Ginagano per tray, kuya per tray.
Ay, baliktad. Dami nito, mamaya adobohin natin. Ito ang ating mga kasama. Yung mga tira-tirang scallop. Kaya ito, diba? Pwede natin salamat sa nagbigay na scallop. Adobo mamaya yan. Oo, sa Barota kami eh. Mamaya sa Barota. Ganda talaga ng Gigantes Island. Destination natin, Tangke o yung Hidden Lagoon. Papasok tayo dyan. Ayan. Ano lang naman yan. Maganda sa loob yan. Subukan natin pumasok. Sayang din, nandito na rin lang tayo. Ito yung lagoon. Ito yung loob ng lagoon. Okay, so lagoon, hidden lagoon. Hidden lagoon.
Inaano ko baka mag-isma. Malamig ang tubig. Malamig ang tubig.
Dating island na may isang punong nyog, pero ngayon tinanmag na meron ng namatay yung isa at tumubo yung apat. So maganda rin pala bato at maganda yung mga rock formations. So yan, ikutin natin. Let's make it to the island. Daming shells. Parang dino ng tubig. So finally we are on our last island destination and we are actually enjoying the full and beautiful waters of Isla Gigantes. Ang lakas ng alon. So I'm very happy that we were able to join this trip. Our third time actually in Isla Gigantes, but this time I felt that that tour is now well organized, unlike our two previous trips. There are now briefings before you board the boat, and I'm very happy with our tour guide. He's very knowledgeable of the islands that we visited. So from Iloilo, it takes about 3 hours to reach Carles. You can either rent a van or take a bus. The bus actually stops, has a terminal at the Carles Town Center, and from there you can take a tricycle or you can walk. They say only about 15 minutes walk to reach the pier. At the pier you can register if you already have pre-booking. just proceed to the desk where your organizer has made the reservation for you. The tour is 1,099, 1,100, all inclusive already. It includes everything from the boat, from island hopping to a very delicious lunch, which we enjoyed very much. Was one of the best because we had fresh seafoods like scallops, crabs, shrimps, and many more. So and stopovers are you're given enough time to really enjoy the scenery. So that's it, folks. Thank you for joining me in this wonderful trip of Isla Gigantes. Travel while you can until our next vlog. See you soon. Visit the Isla Gigantes next time you are in Iloilo. Bye!